In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and adjust page breaks in Excel. To get started, open the Excel workbook where you want to work with page breaks. This is the file you'll be preparing for printing, so make sure you're on the correct worksheet before making any changes. Page breaks help control exactly where one printed page ends and the next one begins, which is especially useful when you want your data to print in a cleaner, more organized way. Once your workbook is open, switch to Page Break Preview. To do that, go to the View tab at the top of Excel. In the Workbook Views group, click Page Break Preview. As soon as you select it, Excel will change the worksheet display to show page boundaries more clearly. This view is helpful because it gives you a visual layout of how your sheet will be divided across printed pages. It makes it much easier to spot where breaks already exist and where you may want to add or move them. Next, if you want to insert a page break, start by selecting the correct location. Click the row below where you want a horizontal page break, or click the column to the right of where you want a vertical page break. This placement matters because Excel inserts the break just above the selected row or just to the left of the selected column. After selecting the row or column, go to the Page Layout tab. In the Page Setup group, click Breaks, then choose Insert Page Break. Excel will place a manual page break at that location. In Page Break Preview, this appears as a blue line, making it easy to identify. This is a useful way to control print output when you want to keep certain sections together or prevent awkward page splits. If you need to adjust a page break after inserting it, stay in Page Break Preview and move your pointer over the blue page break line. When the pointer changes to a double-headed arrow, click and drag the line to a new position. Then release the mouse button to apply the change. Excel will immediately update the page layout based on the new page break position. This gives you a quick and flexible way to fine-tune how your worksheet prints. Using Page Break Preview along with manual page breaks can save time and help make printed spreadsheets much easier to read. And that's it. You now know how to create and adjust page breaks in Excel.